Okay, well, we always have to do a test of these things, and the beauty of what I like is with the adapter and everything, I can test that assembly. So I've got 5 volts sitting at the smoke heater. I'm on 12 over there. It's a little high, but that's okay. And when I do this, you'll see. Let's see if you see any smoke. What? Oh, wire popped out. Hold on. What wire popped out? This one. Oh, the ground. I got it. Okay. There we go. I got it. Ah, geez. Okay. There we go. Holy moly. Okay. Now, that's a puffing, right? And that's a very, too much motor, I know, but I didn't put any resistance in there. So, okay. So that's the puffing. And that would happen through this switch here if we were triggering and going down the railroad. You see that, okay? Now, the other thing I want you to notice is as I do not puff, I do not push air out right now. It's idling. And notice that the voltage is going to drop now. That's because this box is getting warm. And it says, I don't need to be that warm. So I'm going to cool down now. That's the electronics in there. That's what I call smart smoke. So it doesn't overheat. But if I fire one shot, did you see it? It shoots up. Now, if I sit there and look at that. It'll say, okay, how much do you need? How much do you need? I got 8 volts. I got 9 volts. We don't lose smoke at any time. Okay, so you're running around. You're going pretty fast. I'm going to give you 9 volts because you're cooling off too fast. Now, if you slow down, you're coming around the station. You're taking it easy. Yeah, maybe I won't give you as much juice. You won't need it. And if you're in the station, you're going to get a very low power fan, which is a very slow fan. And you'll see the voltage will go up to about 5 volts, and that's about it. It'll sit, right? So that's the smoke test. That's to verify that I put in the angel hair, like I said. I dumped in smoke. I used Mega Steam. JT's Mega Steam. This is Big Boy blend. That was a big mistake. I thought Big Boy, yeah, I'm a big boy. It smells like dirty oil, and he says that's what that engine smelled like. Oh, great. So that's it. So the fan works. You heard it. It's way too much energy. It'll get much less energy. You won't hear it screaming. And the this guy is a little warm, but that's okay. I can put a heat sink on him. He was running overpowered probably as well. I'll have power regulators when I build this out, and we won't be using my 30 volt, 5 amp power supply. This is all I do for testing only, and I'm very cautious about keeping it on a short period of time. Plus, I monitor the voltages so I know what's going on. I knew the motor was going, but I don't run it too hot. This baby got a little warm on us though. Ate pretty good. It's warm. It's warm. It's warm. It's not melting, but it's warm. It's a little soft. Yeah. 12 volts is a little much. Shouldn't have done that, but that's okay. So you saw the smoke. We saw the trigger thing going. So now what I have to do is actually assemble and build the electronics to tie all this back to the tender. But right now we have a Royal Blue chassis that had a reverse and boiler, did not have the smoke wheel gear, did not have the slot. We used our mini mill and we ground out the slot. Pardon me, used my 3D printer to create the gear, smoke gear holder and adapter for the switches as well. This is my tried and true smoke I've had for 5-6 years now. What's different is this adapter is new for this chassis because now I have a smoke. I can put it on. So cranking through all of that. And then the next thing I have is this. I have to build this board. I have one here. I'm not going to steal this one because this system is in another. I'm building a wireless remote system, and I need it for that testing. I don't want to take anything apart here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build another one of these boards if I remember how and if I have all the parts. I think I do, but it's a pretty complicated board. But as you can see, and I'm happy, I'm not only happy, I'm proud because I designed this board out of my brain onto this with some help from Andy as far as layout, but conceptually and getting it built and stuffing it and making it work, I did that. Pretty neat. Andy can help, but he's also in South Africa, so he's not here with hands-on. But I do use his giant brain because he's a very excellent electrical technician, engineer, build it, weird stuff. He does all kinds of neat things. Okay, I'm off. That's it. Running out of memory on my phone. I was going to show you one last thing. On that engine, I was going to show you this last time. I got cut off because my battery died, but right? You know the engine number. This is engine 2014. You see that? 2014. I don't know how he does this. I don't know how he does it. I think it's amazing. Number board. It's great. I got finger smudges on this white paint now. I'm gonna have to really clean it. Okay, that's it for now. Smokes tested, installed and tested. Now we have to build that PC board and wire that in so that it's operational. And as I do that, I'll be putting the wheels on. So this thing will actually go on the track. And it will go on the track as a Royal Blue tribute Corvette tribute train, 2014. So it'll be sort of a custom job, but it's the Royal Blue components converted. And then someday soon, I'll do this for the O-Gauge. Yes! Okay, got to get on that tender now, and that board. Okay, later.